It has been brought to my attention that there are a couple of participants with fake IDs. How do you tell if it's a fake ID? Well, for one, it's black. The ones for 2018 Art in the Open are red in color. Like red color, yeah, thank you. Red color. We have Joanne. She went for the nocturne painting last night. Joanne, let us know what your experience is.
Three of us it was our first time. I was a bit undecided even about what colors to use, but I decided to have a very limited palette. So I used transparent oxide, brown and French ultramarine. At first it was still not very dark, so we could get the drawing in, but then it suddenly gets dark and it is hard to see the darkest darks and the lightest lights. It's important that you start a little bit earlier than when it gets so dark. Then when the lights went up on the bridge, that was something magical.
Art in the Open, day 6.
Alvin Mark for Art in the Open. This is Bunclody. It's the last paint out day within the Wexford County area. Bittersweet. It's been a fun week, long week, really tiring. Let's go check in. I'm right in front of the Most Holy Trinity Church. What caught my eye is this really old brick building. It's a pharmacy issuing medical supplies. So I'll be giving myself a few hours here to paint this scene. Catch you later. Guess who dropped by from Dublin? Ronan. We're all classmates from Angel Academy. And Emma's about to sell her piece right now. Bryn's Plein Air Festival. Yes.
How you doing, buddy?
He grew out his hair.
Yeah, nice.
You can't hear me.
Sorry.
No worries, no worries.
Hello.
Yay! So this is the place, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
and you
okay.
can go down the creek that way.
Okay, thank you.
Really nice.
Creek. The Magic Forest. So Rona, remember all these places because when you set up your thing, you're gonna come here, yeah. And goodbye, Little Creek. It's 4:30. Can't paint in half an hour, so it's just video. Yeah. This is Art in the Open, guys. Last day of the paint out sessions in the County Wexford. That is really gorgeous. I wish we had more. I wish I had more time here. Yeah.
It's a nice place.
Beautiful.
It's spotless.
Have fun. That's all, folks. This is the last day of the paint outs in County Wexford. This is Alvin Mark with all the Art in the Open painters from Buncloudy signing off. See you back at Wexford Town for tomorrow's quick draw. I'm inside Louise's trailer, and that's one of the other ways in which you can travel to the paint out locations in a camper van. Think of it as your own little mobile studio. This is the dining area. Have a small little kitchenette in here, and of course this is where you drive.
They sit in that seat now and feel the luxury.
Oh wow!
Do you see?
Yeah.
See? The panorama.
That's great.
And then you have all your painting. You can let
To
them
dry.
all dry there, you see, and they dry really quickly. It's super.
That's brilliant, Louise. Check out her paintings, guys. I know where that is. Archimon House.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's in there,
Yeah.
and that's Wexford on the wet day.
Right.
Horrible
yeah,
day.
Right.
And that's Clonegall.
Clonigal, yeah.
And there's Wexford train station.
Oh yeah.
See the panorama,
Yeah.
Alvin?
Yeah.
It's fab,
Yeah,
isn't it?
Very good. Very good.
Yeah.
Thank you for this treat, this tour. Little toilet in here. Shower area. How cool is that? Hey guys, it's very self-sufficient, guys. Shower head. And little toilet seat. Just amazing. Sorolla, wow.
It comes with me wherever I go.
Oh,
Inspiration.
you made my day, Louise. Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, Alvin, thanks. I'll be looking forward to seeing that now.
Yeah, me too. I'm gonna.
See you, Alvin.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.